Planning a surprise group video with VidDay is easy, and your event page is where it all comes together. It's fast, fun, and totally stress-free. Let me show you around. Think of your event page as your mission control. This is where you can do everything: send invites, customize your theme and music, generate previews, and manage gift funds. But the main focus is your media gallery, where your video comes to life. Click Add Media to see your options and pick what works best for you. You can upload videos, photos, and even audio clips. And you can add animated GIFs or stock photos from our free libraries. Also, you can add text cards, which are perfect for quick little messages, intros, or title screens. All media submitted by contributors or added by you will appear here in your gallery. Now this is where VidDay stands out. Instead of a timeline, you get a clean, simple grid. Just drag and drop your media in any order. To make edits, double-click a thumbnail to open the media view. Each media has editing buttons and toggles below it. Above your media gallery, you'll see a toolbar. You can change thumbnail size or highlight certain types of media, which is helpful when you want to focus on specific content. Click once on one or more media to reveal quick controls, which let you access editing toggles directly from your event page. This makes it easy to do bulk actions, like adjusting how long photos are featured, muting audio clips, or fading background music while certain media are featured. If you want to remove media, click here to send it to your archive folder. You'll find it below your gallery if you need to bring anything back. And if you're sure you no longer need something, you can always permanently delete it. The total runtime of your video is displayed at the top of your gallery. It updates automatically as you add, remove, or adjust media, so you always have an accurate view of your montage length. And that's your event page. Everything you need all in one place. Now you're ready to start building something special.